Welcome back, y'all. Today I'm going to be talking about how to price your services as an independent nail tech, but any beauty professional can use this worksheet that I'm about to show you. So, this worksheet is basically an example of a basic full set and everything you would need to create a basic full set. So, you just enter in how much you paid for each thing, the total. So if you bought a bottle of primer, you would enter in how much you paid for that bottle of primer. Then you would calculate how many sets you could get out of that bottle of primer. So if you bought the bottle of primer on May 1st and then you ran out on May 31st and you did 20 sets of nails in between that time, then you know you can get 20 sets out of that bottle of primer. Then it's going to automatically break down how much that bottle of primer costs you for every single full set. And if you do that for each item, it'll add it up at the end. You also are going to factor in your space down here. So you just put what you pay per month for your space. And if you work from home, there's a special section on that. And there are instructions in each part of this that let you know how to do the calculations. A lot of them are done for you pretty much. You would just need to enter in, like, say, for instance, your monthly rent or something like that. Then once you get down to the bottom, you're going to put what you charge for this service. So this is a basic full set. If you put that you charge $50 or $25 or $40, it will automatically adjust for the hourly rate. So this is a good way to show you guys how charging $25 for a full set, depending on the cost of your supplies and your space, you're not going to have very much left over for yourself to give yourself a paycheck. So that's what the ebook is called. Give yourself a paycheck. You deserve a paycheck. That's the ebook. That is linked down below in the description. It comes with this worksheet with the example for the full set, and it also comes with a blank worksheet for you to put any service you would like to put in here. So if you want to go get that, it is now live on the website, and I have linked it in the description below with a coupon code. Thank y'all.